All right, chemistry, let's look at our review for the entire chapter 8. Let's start with number 1 and number 2, looking at these multiple choices. Number 1, a balanced chemical equation represents all of the following except, make sure that you see this word except. I'm sure you guys are reading this part of balanced chemical equation represents, okay? But remember, it's except. So 3 of these things, 3 of these options are going to be items that a balanced chemical equation really does represent. We're trying to find the one that it doesn't. Experimentally established facts. It does that. Relative quantities of reactants and products in the chemical reaction definitely does that. That's an identity. Yeah, that's telling you what it is. The only thing it doesn't do is give you the mechanism by which the reactants combine to form those products. How does the reaction go about? That's something for a much more advanced chemistry class, way beyond the scope of this course. So I'm going to go a B for number 1. Number 2, according to the law of conservation of mass, the total mass of the reacting substances is, so what about the total mass of the reactants is true here? It is always more than the total mass of the products. Well, that can't be right because it's the law of conservation of mass. We're conserving. We're keeping those things the same. Okay. Always less than the total mass of the products. No, we need sameness. That's what we're looking for here. The same on both sides of the reaction arrow. So you see my reaction arrow, whatever's on this side has to have the same mass as whatever's on that side. Sometimes more and sometimes less than the total mass of the product. No, we can't have more or less. Always equal. That's what I want. Always equal. Okay, conservation of mass is always equal. Reactant side, product side, always equal. No exceptions. Okay, that's what makes it a law as opposed to something less than a scientific law, like a scientific theory.